Yeah.
Featuring Big Talent Band.
Yeah, featuring Big
So
Talent
every time
Band.
you'll perform this song, you have to have the band with you.
Yeah, in fact, we did 2 songs live.
Yes.
But because of time, we have to play one.
Okay.
But I did that song with a Big Talent Band in the help of Peter Bongo Retires family.
Yes.
Because you know, narabanga nzizemu ennyimba Monique Seka, then Moni, kati ne ngamba bannayuganda bano bajja kuyomba, mbonze ndi mwezalawo. So ne nnoonyayoko munnayuganda ki ayinza okubanga naye tukola ki nkola ekintu kino, because I have an international album.
Okay.
I mean international audience. I perform in Colombia, I perform everywhere. I've performed everywhere.
Yes.
So I think this song shoots me.
Afro Nation.
Yeah, Afro Nation, you know. This song shoots me. I can perform this song everywhere. And I sell Bongoli, and I sell Uganda, I sell our ideas Ugandans. I think this song fit me. Like just imagine me on Afro Nation over
singing Bonnie.
Sing Bonnie. Like the show we always attend, what is the name? One Africa. One Africa.
One Africa.
Play that song and then you imagine me on that stage. Play that song again.
Every time you pirate a song, you take away from us. You take it from the artist. Please support. You can get the Made in Africa album by Eddie Kenzo on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, or Amazon Music. Please just go. It's a very little amount of money, and you have your 21 songs. You listen to them in your car, at home, wherever you are. Please, let's support Ugandan artists. Let's start with this album, and then we follow with the rest of the artists. Now that they are no people, but artists are fake. And
that is the reason why I decided to invite the new generation musicians.
Exactly. And I'm very proud that the hottest new generation in Uganda is here today.
Yeah.
I want to thank you guys. Because yourself. I think I've interviewed each and every one of you on my show. I think so. But I just want to thank you guys for coming through.
Because you know, bro, like many pandemics are coming on our way. Because as the young people, we have many years ahead of us. And we are the you know, people like Spicy, Bawaiki, Bakaro, Bajostede, Zexi, bonna bana abasajja bali wano. Mbabulira ekintu kimu. Tutandika okukola album, tutunde online, twogere ne bannayuganda bannaffe, to purchase music so that we can earn a living. Nabo tusobole okubasanyusa. Bwe tunaabeerawo nga tutandika ebintu by'okutuula nga tulinze just kuyimba tufune, kino ekyo tugenda tukubawala. So we should change this. Tukikyuseemu. Tutandika okuba nga tukola album, and don't put it on the YouTube, because me I'm not going to put these songs on YouTube. Okujjako nga maze dukolera video, that's when I'm going to put it on YouTube. No song on YouTube until I do a video for it. Okiraba? Kuba bwe nkola video ne nduteeka, I'm going to earn from a video.
Very true.
But I'm not going to put audio on YouTube. No.
Very true. Very true. There is a reason when I joined Sanyu FM, you know, Sanyu used never to play Ugandan music. That was their policy.
If you
want me, kubanga nange nagenda nenda banga ndi brand ya kabi. Uchitegera. Nembagamba you are releasing hit after hit after hit. Era, I just want to say I'm super proud of you. Era tugenda maso with all the support we have. So Eddie Kenzo.
So before we go to that song, Rudako.
Yes.
Maybe you'll give me that chance after this song.
Yeah.
So we're welcoming each and everyone. But the song we're gonna play next, Kanakaimba Bakaita Uganda one. Ntandise okumachiwalinga internationally, and ntandise okufuna invitations mu different music festivals. You know, badde nakajjanga bankubisa shows. Festivals ezo batera ziwa abantu Baisondu, baziwa ba Alpha Blondy, baziwa bani, because gwe baba tebakwekakasa bagamba onayinza otulabisaamu ku show. Kati baba kulinda ogume, but since last year nga COVID tanaji, guno mwaka guba gutabamu COVID, tubadde tuli booked almost all the biggest festivals in the world.
Wow.
Tubadde tuli booked fully, like I'm telling you, nali ku interview emu ne ngamba I'm booked all 2021 bande balowooza nsaga, but actually nali saga, nali booked all 2021 nenga all festivals. Bantu babadde bamanyiko just Afro Nation, but no, badde ndi booked festivals, Caribbean festivals, Puerto Rico, American ones,
Colombia.
Kati buli we tubeerako ezo show oziwulira abantu people are proud of themselves, people promote their country, people love their people, because empungu terabiri, however much you are international, but you have where you come from.
Yeah.
And these are Uganda, that's your country is Uganda. You have to really promote Ugandans. You have to love a Ugandan before you love anyone else.
Very true.
Because before you become anything else, you are a Ugandan before anything else.
Yeah.
So nange nensalawo ngama man, whenever I go to a festival, I can sing a song that is going to inspire Ugandans. So this song is called Uganda. Oh yeah.
Yes.
It's just encouraging all Ugandans to work hard. Mwebale kola, mwebale kuzaala, muzaala abaana mukuza abaana, like Uganda. Oh, like
yeah.
This is the song. Just play the song.